Hey guys, and welcome to the video. It's a little loud in this area. Hopefully you can hear me. Today we're doing a day trip to Niagara Falls from Toronto, taking the Go. We purchased a day pass, a weekend day pass. It's a $10 pass to allow you to ride the Go for one day on the weekend or holidays if it's a statutory holiday. And I thought I'd bring you guys along. So as we wait for the train, the light's a little harsh, but just to talk about the pass, it's a weekend one-day pass. So it's $10. You have to activate it 5 minutes before you get on your ride. It lasts for 24 hours. So it's just a one day. It's only available for weekends, so you can only use it on weekends. And I believe you have 7 days to activate it. I should also say that it's only available online. So you need a smartphone, an email address, and a secure Wi-Fi or data connection. You have to activate it online. Everything is done online through your smartphone. So if they check you on the train, you have to have that data connection So I've done the zip line. That was pretty fun. I've done the boat as well, the cruise, beneath the falls or whatever they call it. I have never done the balloon though. So unfortunately it is so bright and hot. It is hard to actually get a good video of the falls. It's 2 o'clock in the afternoon, so it's not the best time. Early morning or late evening would be the best. All right, so we're gonna head back to the tourist area, and I'll show you the last little part at the bottom of the hill. Hi guys, so that is the $10 weekend day trip taking the Go from Toronto to Niagara Falls. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. It was a lot of fun. Really hot. It's like 33 degrees. I'm heading back to the bus now for my 3-4 hour ride back to Toronto. I'll see you guys on our next adventure.